Introducing the 1966 Ford Fairlane 500, a classic coupe with timeless appeal. This vehicle, finished in a crisp white paint, retains its original charm and is a solid foundation for restoration. With 66,840 miles on the odometer, this Fairlane originally housed a 289 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Currently, it is a roller, meaning the engine and transmission are missing, but it does come with a clean and clear title. The body is in good condition overall, requiring a floor pan replacement on the driver's side and some patchwork on the passenger side floor. A well-preserved example, this Fairlane has been out of commission since 1984, making it a true barn find for those seeking a rewarding classic car project. Whether you plan to restore it to its former glory or modify it to your liking, this Fairlane offers endless possibilities. A great investment for classic car enthusiasts looking for a solid base to build upon. Next up, we have a 1971 Ford Mustang Grande, an iconic American muscle car that, despite its current condition, holds incredible potential. This coupe is powered by an FMX automatic transmission, but requires a replacement engine due to a crack in the current block. The sale includes a spare engine block and additional parts, making it a great project for a Mustang enthusiast. While the title is currently misplaced, the seller is able to obtain a quick replacement from the DMV. This classic pony car is an excellent candidate for restoration. Step back in time with this 1941 Chevrolet 1/2-ton truck, a true survivor from the pre-war era. While in need of a full restoration, it retains its original drivetrain and features an authentic wooden bed with fiberglass fenders. The glass is present but aged, and it comes with an extra cab, doors, and a hood in good condition. Although it does not run, the truck rolls easily, and all 4 tires hold air. This is a rare opportunity to own a classic workhorse with solid bones. Restoration services are available locally for interested buyers. Here is a 1955 Ford F-100, a vintage pickup that maintains its original charm while boasting a 302 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Rust-free and in running condition, this truck is ready for the next phase of its journey, whether it be a full restoration or a custom build. The absence of a title may require additional paperwork, but for the right buyer, this classic Ford offers both reliability and character in Take a look at this charming 1955 Nash Rambler, a unique and stylish coupe that stands out with its vintage green paint and classic design. This well-maintained example is powered by a smooth-running 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. Recent upgrades include a new generator, alternator, distributor, wiring, and battery, ensuring it starts up effortlessly. This head-turning Rambler is a joy to drive and presents an excellent opportunity for any collector seeking a fun and distinctive ride. Experience classic American luxury with this 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix, a well-preserved example of the Grand Touring Coupe. Powered by a Pontiac 400 V8 engine and a smooth-shifting TH400 transmission, this car is fully drivable and road-ready. While some minor rust spots and paint bubbling exist, the frame remains rust-free. The interior is in great condition, with all electronics and gauges functioning properly. With just a bit of cosmetic work, this Grand Prix could easily. For those looking for a project car, this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle might be the perfect fit. This four-door classic is equipped with a 350 V8 engine, but currently does not run. It presents a solid starting point for a restoration or customization project. With its clean title and a well-loved body, this Chevelle could be brought back to life with the right amount of dedication and mechanical expertise. This 1976 Cadillac Calais is a true classic, featuring an elegant blue-on-blue color scheme. The body is in excellent shape, free of dents, dings, or rust. The interior remains in mint condition, and the roof is well preserved. The only issue to address is a broken steering column that will need repair. With a missing title, additional paperwork may be required. At this price, it presents a great opportunity for a Cadillac enthusiast to restore a stylish piece of automotive history. For vintage car enthusiasts, this 1953 Studebaker Champion is a prime restoration candidate. Featuring an original two-door hardtop design, this coupe retains its complete structure with no missing glass or torn upholstery. The six-cylinder engine was rebuilt but has been sitting for decades, requiring further attention to get it running. With its solid body and minimal rust, this Studebaker offers a fantastic opportunity to bring a mid-century classic back to life. Up next, we have a 1967 Chevrolet Classic pickup, a robust and timeless truck with a recently installed 350 engine that has fewer than 10,000 miles on it. The truck includes its original wheels, which are stored in the bed. While the brakes need to be replaced, the vehicle is otherwise a solid candidate for a restoration or customization project. Whether you're looking for a vintage truck to restore or customize, this Chevrolet Classic is ready for the next owner to bring it back to life. Introducing this 1977 Datsun 280Z, a classic Japanese sports car with a manual transmission and an odometer reading of 80,000 miles. This project car comes with a clean title and a fuel-efficient gas engine. The seller has attempted some repairs but has been unable to get it started, leaving the exact issue unknown. The car will need to be towed, making it an ideal candidate for an enthusiast willing to diagnose and restore this iconic coupe. With its timeless design and growing collector value, this Datsun 280Z is a rewarding opportunity for the right buyer. Check the link for more details. Next up, we have this 1930 Ford Model A Tudor sedan, a true piece of automotive history in good condition. Powered by a four-cylinder gas engine and paired with a manual transmission, this vintage Ford has an odometer reading of just 11,217 miles. Finished in a striking blue paint, the vehicle remains mostly original, making it a great candidate for preservation or a period-correct restoration. The seller states that the price is firm, and it is time for the next caretaker to take ownership of this classic. Check the link for more details. This 1954 Buick Roadmaster is an excellent project car originally from New Mexico, boasting a rust-free and straight body. Though it lacks a powertrain and glass, it presents a solid foundation for restoration. The clean title provides peace of mind, making it an ideal investment for collectors or custom builders. Whether you plan to return it to its original glory or create a custom hot rod, this Buick offers endless possibilities. Check the link for more details. Here's a classic 1963 Chevrolet C10 pickup, the final year for the wraparound windshield. This unique truck features an 8-cylinder small block 350 engine, previously converted from an inline-6. It retains its original wood bed and has been garage-kept for over 5 years. A new wiring harness has been installed, and interior rust repair was underway. However, it needs some work, including brake system repairs, addressing a rear axle leak, and an overall mechanical check before becoming roadworthy. A great foundation for a vintage truck restoration. Check the link for more details. A rare opportunity awaits with this 1964 Ford Ranchero, a unique blend of classic coupe and utility truck. Originally equipped with a 289 engine and bucket seats, this model now houses a swapped-in 351 Windsor engine with Cobra headers and a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. The body remains straight, and the truck is ready for a full restoration. It will need to be towed, but with the right touch, this Ford Ranchero could become a standout build. Check the link for more details. Introducing this 1961 Chevrolet Apache, a long bed pickup finished in its original mellow yellow paint. This classic truck features a big rear window and retains its original straight-six engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The seller is unable to complete the restoration, but major components like the water pump, radiator, brakes, and clutch cylinder have been prepared for installation. With the original seat already redone, this truck is a fantastic opportunity for someone looking to finish a nearly complete project. Check the link for more details. This 1957 Jeep Crawler is built for off-road adventures and comes with a dual transfer case, onboard hot water heater, and an air compressor. Powered by a newly installed 4.2-liter inline-6 engine, it also features an automatic transmission for easy handling. Whether you're looking for a rock-crawling machine or a capable trail rig, this Jeep is packed with extras. Contact the seller for additional details. Check the link for more information. Next up, we have a 1969 Buick Grand Sport 350, a 2-door coupe with a straight body and bucket seats. This classic muscle car comes with a 4-speed manual transmission but lacks an engine. However, the seller includes a 4-barrel carburetor, headers, and an aluminum radiator. With a clean title and a solid foundation, this is a great project car for a Buick enthusiast looking to bring this GS 350 back to life. Check the link for more details. Presenting this 1929 Ford Model A convertible, right-hand drive classic with a clean Arizona title. Currently in running and driving condition, this vintage Ford requires cosmetic restoration to bring it back to its full glory. Recent maintenance includes a new water pump and radiator. If you're looking for a pre-war classic with character and history, this model A convertible is an excellent candidate for restoration. Check the link for more detail. Here we have a 1950 Plymouth P19 Fastback, a classic American car retaining its original flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The vehicle runs and drives, but needs a master cylinder and some electrical work to be fully functional. Recent updates include new Stewart Warner gauges, Goodyear tires, and a 15-gallon fuel cell. The sale also includes an extra engine and additional parts, making this an exciting project for a classic car enthusiast. Check the link for more details. Introducing the 1936 Ford Phaeton, a true barn find that sat untouched in a garage for over 60 years. This vintage beauty has a clean title and a manual transmission, offering an incredible restoration opportunity. While stripped of many bolt-on parts, most major components have been gathered, awaiting a dedicated enthusiast to bring it back to life. The body shows multiple layers of old paint, with rust repair needed in areas like the lower cowl and floors. The front subrail on the driver's side also has rust, but the doors still open and shut with some effort. The vehicle features Lincoln brakes front and rear, long shackles in the back, and a 59 AB engine with a side-shift transmission, though the drivetrain's condition is unknown. A column shift is present but not attached. Additional parts include seat springs, top bows, a spare tire cover, and a chopped windshield, though the original stanchions were lost long ago. The classic hood sides give this Phaeton a unique touch, making it a prime candidate for a patina-style hot rod or a full restoration. An Old Oregon title is included, and with some dedication, this car could be cruising the streets by spring. A fantastic opportunity for collectors and hot rod enthusiasts alike.